Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13204 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2015 Nissan Rogue. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 45 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, remove the lower underbody panels located here if present. To do this, remove the plastic fasteners. First, dislodge the center of the fastener with a flathead screwdriver, and then pull out the entire piece by the base. When all of the fasteners are removed, gently pull down and forward, moving the panel over the toe loop and out from above the bumper. Uninstall the tow hook bracket on the frame on the passenger side by removing the 4 bolts that secure it to the frame. Next, we'll be lowering the exhaust. Support the exhaust system with a ratchet strap or a wire hanger to prevent any damage. To lower the exhaust, remove the 3 rubber isolators holding the exhaust in place. We recommend using a spray lubricant or a soapy water mixture with a pry bar to ease the removal process. Raise the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame on both sides of the vehicle with the included hex bolts and conical tooth washers. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the exhaust and remove the exhaust support. This completes the installation of the CURT 13204 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2015 Nissan Rogue. Check out all the CURT ball mount options and install the custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next for your ride. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.